glory, clear the road out. Title told this heavy load. Oh, St. Peter, I'm running, get back in out the gate.
Once I heard a preacher man preaching about the promised land. Our flow is sparkling wine, luscious fruit hung on the vine. Not a worry, not a fear, all this peace and no despair. From that day I had a smile to reach that land that soul desire.
Glory, glory, clear the road out. Title told this heavy load. Oh, St. Peter, I'm running late, get back in out the gate.
Then he preached about that place that's reserved for fall, and damnation for the stray that would fall along the wall. There the devil is awaiting by the mighty lake of fire. All the rest you know so well, holy flames they call it hell.
Glory, glory, clear the road out. Title told this heavy load. Oh, St. Peter, I'm running late, get back in out the gate.
I'm gonna preach now.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna tell you how.
Oh, yeah.
You can get up there.
Oh, yeah. Reach that city so bright and fade and live right. Oh,
You
yeah.
gotta praise now.
Oh, yeah.
How long you been getting me?
Oh, yeah. Gotta trust in God, He'll set you free.
Up in the good land.
Oh,